Hi guys, it's Cisco here. Welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of the bachelorette trip. So if you didn't watch part 1, go ahead and watch that one and then come back to this one. So yes, sorry I got distracted and I'm so sorry about the noise in the background, guys. So yes, it's a Sunday, but before we get into that, subscribe, comment and like the video, and also I'll try to link everything I can in the description below. So yes, today's Sunday and we're going to the beach. So yes, I'll be catching up with you guys at the beach because I want to try and take some pics right now. So I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, we're on our way to the beach. There's Raisha. So yeah, we headed to the beach. Here's our Uber. Okay, I think I have everything. Thank you. Oh yeah, there's space there. You said we must maybe stand there. Huh? Oh, this side. Yeah. Yeah.
Something like that.
That needs to be there. So yeah.
Yes,
Oh my God, what's that side?
Oh, it's true. It's true.
Okay. Which side? Guys, look that side so much. That ocean is in the background. Okay. Yeah. I'm making good. I do my first step down. Woo!
It's not a boomerang, guys. It's not a video.
Yeah, it's really cool. I'm trying.
The view. Okay, one more. Last one. Wait, last one. Last one. I thought we were looking like other ones. Cotton is so pretty. Beautiful. Look at the view.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Guys, we're finally here at the beach. Look at how beautiful. Oh my God, let me show you guys the beach. Hey, my dear. I love. Oh my God, how are you going to get down? So, guys, we are finally by the beach. Look at the view. I'll show you guys like a full picture of my bikini. It's a one piece from shein. Yeah, how beautiful. Love it. Love, 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 love. I so love it. Oh my god. Spicy. The view is everything. Let me take you guys to the beach. Oh my god, look at what everyone else is. Everybody's busy taking pics, guys. It's just me. Anyways, it's okay. Let's go to the water. Okay, wait. Before I go to the water, wait. What did you just say? Oh my god. Yeah. Can't wait to get into something warm. Yeah, where's food? So guys, we're back home from the beach. Yeah. Like, let me wash my hands a little bit. Just that. Wait, what are you wearing next?
The red dress.
I think a red dress will be like that.
I just want to carry a big
And
bag.
your red lip. So, boy, we are going for what? Where are we going again? Oh, we're going for a boat cruise. Where again? VA waterfront. Yeah, there. So we're going for a boat cruise. There's no time for outfit of the day. We're so late.
Miriam, you have the pin. Must I come? Miriam, you have the pin. Yes.
Here's a Uber. We have to leave. We're so late, guys. Jesus. We're so late. Super late. But how do I look? How do I look? So cute. No. Quad. So we're headed, we're going to board a boat now. Guys, off the sun here. No? Thank you, I just want to stay here because it's warm. So we're going to board now. It feels so pretty. I like that.
Did we all enjoy our trip? Yeah! Lovely. As you're also about to end the trip, so when we're busy docking for your own safety, and also you need to see where it's going, I'll kindly ask everyone to sit down and remain seated.
Okay.
Thank you. Once we're done tying up the boat, we'll notify each and everyone.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cisco's channel. We just came from the boat cruise and we're changing into our dinner outfit. We have Rachel there in black, Mukosha in red, Helena in denims and black. We have got Miriam in olive green, army green, Kalava in black, and we have Cisco, girl of the channel, in everything.
So good. Krispy Kreme in South Africa, guys, and cottonon kids. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to apologize. I wasn't able to take content on the yacht, but on the boat cruise, excuse me, because my phone storage was full and I was trying to buy some phone storage and it was a hassle. It wasn't working. I wasn't getting the phone storage.
I don't think you want to do that right now. You'll need more pictures.
I bought, but still it's not showing.
No, every day I'm invoiced by Apple for my storage. I don't know how you're doing it. No, but what do you do?
So my dinner just arrived and I got a steak. I got a steak, fish.
So now she's coming to take a picture of us.
Yeah. We're having dinner.
Is the wheel in?
Yeah, it is.
You guys, please don't move. Otherwise, we won't have one picture because someone's blinking.
Okay. Make the phone again the other way. Back again. Yeah.
The one that was saying fast.
Wait, an invitation.
At this point, it's okay.
It's fine, but edit.
We have one.
Okay, cool.
We have one.
Who's ordered the Uber Mupasha?
Hi guys, I'm in bed now. At this point everybody's sleeping. I think everybody's in bed, and we got home around 10 p.m. ish that time from the dinner, because after the boat cruise we went for the dinner. And yeah, we got home around 10 p.m. and I had to pack. We all were packing because we have to leave tomorrow. Today's Sunday. It's our last night here. And I would like to apologize in advance because I know I did not create as much content as I could at the dinner and at the boat cruise because my phone storage was... As I was saying, guys, I couldn't create content because of storage issues. But it's super late now. It's almost 2 a.m. and I need to go to bed, because we're driving early in the morning at 5:30. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's 6 a.m. and we're about to leave Cape Town. So yeah, I'm excited to go home, but I will definitely miss this view. I will. I guess I'll catch you guys on the bus. Bye. As we leave, guys, we're leaving. As we leave, we are packed. Bye, Cape Town. Bye. Alright guys, we're leaving. Oh. Okay, where's Chichi? Let me go call Chichi. Or maybe just give her her thing quickly. But I need to come carry my things. I'm coming now for my things next. Sorry. Chichi, don't you want your laptop anymore?
Yeah.
Be careful. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go get my... Let me switch off this light, guys. This one will come go on. Okay, this one is off. It's just beautiful. goodbye South Africa. We have reached the border post. Like, bye South Africa. Love, love, love. See you next time.
I don't even greet you. Good afternoon. You just congratulate you. Because the children
There's a table mountain here. What's the fuss about that?
COVID test results and passport. We are headed to the Namibian side now. Guys, our very own Table Mountain. Guys, our trailer's tire fell off and we literally had to look for it, find it, move stuff from the trailer to the car, and also try and get the tire on, but oh hell no. Oh my gosh, it's out here taking pics. So we're just out here. Guys, be strong.
We're in the middle of the.
Oh my god. We're so strong. Namibia. Nambia. So yeah. So now we're gonna wait for somebody to come from Noorduver to come and help us. So yes, fingers crossed. Somebody will come and then yeah, assist us so we can continue. So yeah, for right now we just need to get comfortable in the bus and wait. Anyways, what an experience. Guys, current situation, our trailer's tire broke. Oh my god, goodness. Yes! Yes! What? What? Touchdown. We are back home.